Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very stretchable ribbing pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any ladies cardigans, gents sweaters, ladies caps, shawls, baby blankets, baby frock. From back side our pattern will look like this, and from front side it will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 5 stitches plus 1 to complete the pattern and plus 2 for border. For demonstration I have taken 18 stitches. So let us start now. Our pattern begins from right side. It is our first row. Slip first stitch and then repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 1, and now loop stitch after 2 stitches and then knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Pass loop stitch over 2 knit stitches, then knit 1 stitch. This is our repeat pattern. Again second repeat, purl 1, knit 1 stitch and then loop stitch after 2 stitches, knit 2 stitches, pass loop stitch over 2 knitted stitches, again 1 knit stitch. This is our second repeat. Now third repeat, purl 1, knit 1 stitch and then loop stitch after 2 stitches, now knit these 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now pass loop stitch over 2 knitted stitches, again knit 1 stitch. This is our third repeat pattern. Now purl 1 stitch and purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Now second row from wrong side. Slip 1 stitch. Now repeat pattern, knit 1 stitch. Now twist second stitch left to right from back side. Second stitch left to right from back side. Now pick up first stitch on left needle, place second stitch on left needle and purl both these stitches, 1 and 2. Now again twist first stitch right to left from back side. For that pick second stitch on right needle, and replace first stitch on left needle, then purl both stitches. Now second repeat. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat, knit one stitch, then twist second stitch from left to right, and then purl both stitches, one and two. Now again twist two stitches, this time right to left from back side, and purl these two stitches. This is our second repeat pattern. Now third repeat, knit one stitch, twist two stitches from left to right, left to right from back side, then purl both stitches, now twist right to left from back side and purl both these stitches, one and two. This is our third repeat pattern. Now knit one stitch and purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our second row. We have to repeat these two rows till we reach our desired length. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So bye friends, till then, bye bye.